What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to Daily Diecast. Today, we're going to crack open another one of these awesome Maisto design Elite Transport sets. Super into these right now. I personally think they're way underrated, and I'm just amped to collect them. So, the one for today is this one right here. A ramp truck with an 87 Buick Grand National. Very, very awesome. Yeah, I love these sets. Very collectible, extremely cheap, and I'm just super happy to have them. My chick got me this one as a little present when I got vaccinated. I was actually really sick after I got vaccinated. I was in bed for like 2 days. So I'm finally feeling better. And yeah, we're going to crack this open right now. One of the things I love about these sets is how easy they are to open. Boom, and that's basically it. Alright, so let's put the car in the background for now. Let's check out this sweet ramp truck. There we go. Alright. Yeah, here we go. We got Killer Mike transport, first aid kit, tools, and a fire extinguisher inside. 24-hour towing. Love this. Let's see. Yeah, it has a tow hitch. Excellent. Love that. Yeah, that gives me some ideas. And then this plastic piece right here. Looks kind of like metal, but it's it's just plastic piece, and I like that too. So it goes down like that, real easy. But then when you put it up, you just go right there and it clicks into place. That is nice. Like that quite a bit. It's got a little place for the front tires or back tires, however you have it to sit. We got some lights up top there and some details. Got side view mirrors, black interior. Headlights are painted on. That is plastic. Well, that is metal, and this is also metal, and the base is plastic. There we go, ramp truck. Very awesome. Really like this design. Looks really neat. I dig it. Like the wheels, like the rubber tires, dually in the back. Very cool. Taillights painted on. All right, so now let's check out the Grand National. Love the satin black paint. Beautiful. Looks like red lines. Shout out to Hot Wheels. But I think that's just part of the rim. Looks like it's just like a red lip on these 5-spoke rims. Very nice. They're black, of course. Rubber tires as well. Metal body on a plastic base. We got some side view mirrors. Rolled up windows. Painted on taillights, which look nice. We got some twice pipes. There's our base right there. Double check and make sure it's plastic. Very nice. Headlights look good, look really good. Grill and the marker lights. Yeah, this thing is really sweet. What does that say right there? That says, well, legit cannot read that. Don't know. Maybe it's easier to read on the other side. Let me see. Nope. No idea what it says. I think it says original time right there. I think it's what it says. But regardless, it's very, very cool. Really love this set. So much fun. Let's see here. Go ahead and pull it down. Awesome. And then this pops on. Sick. Very cool. Okay. Oh yeah, so that little line there is 4-2. Catches the tire. Not super well though. Yeah, kind of comes off, but it's all good. Maybe I'll get some scale toe straps. Very cool. Yeah, I like that quite a bit. So in theory though, I mean, I really could grab another trailer. Grab this one just for now. I don't know, it doesn't really seem to like it that much, actually. Yeah, it doesn't really want to go on there. There it goes. Okay. Just took a little finessing. But really though, I could put another car in here and this thing could mob around a couple cars. Which is cool because I wanted to remove the tow hook on this Camaro. I mean, the Camaro is beautiful. It's cool though because they made it removable. So I can just, unscrew it and then screw it back in because I'm sure also, it was one of the main screws for the car. But yeah, I can take this off, put the car in the trailer, and just take off this tow hook from this car because it really doesn't. It's kind of strange that it has it. Not that it looks bad or anything. It's just super unrealistic to have a Camaro with a hitch on it. All right, you guys, that was the video. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Sunday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name's J-Dog, and I post diecast videos about 3 to 5 times a week. And if you collect like I do, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and I'll catch you dudes next time.